some topics playing with numbers. Prime number. First we define prime number. What is prime number? What is prime number? Okay. Here you see that if any number which have only two factors, one and number itself, that number is called prime number. Number is called prime number. Okay. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. These numbers are prime number because they have only two factors, one and number itself. Understand? Now we define composite number. The number which have more than two factors. The number which have more than two factors. Are called composite number. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, etc. All the numbers here which is given 4, 6, 8, 9 have more than two factors. Okay. Now here a Greek mathematician Eratosthenes find a very simple way to find composite number from number 1 to 100. Okay. Now here is the sieve. The sieve of, it is called the sieve. S-E-I-E-V, sieve of Eratosthenes. Greek mathematician give a very simple way to find the prime and composite numbers from 1 to 100. First we write the number from 1 to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Non-comfortable word. Here you see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay. Here you see that the number from 1 to 100. Now, with the help of C method, we find the prime and composite number. First, we cross the one because one is neither composite number nor prime numbers. Now, with the circle 2, in next step, circle 2, because 2 is the smallest prime number and it is the only even prime number. Okay. Now, we cross all the multiples of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 31, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, and 100. Okay. Now you circle second prime number 3 and cross all the multiples of 3. 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18, 3 7 is 21, 3 8 is 24, 3 9 is 27, 3 10 is 30, 11 33, 39, 42, 45. Next, 57. Next, 63. Next, 75. Next, 81. 87. Next, 93. And 99. Okay. Now we circle the next prime number 5 and cut all the multiples of 5. 5. See that 5 5 is 25, 5 7 is 35, 65. Okay. 85, 95. Now we circle the next prime number 7 Now cross all the multiples of 7. Here is a 7. Okay. Now here you see that 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 43, 41, 47, 49 multiple of 7, 53, 59, 61, 67, multiple of 3, 71, 73, multiple of 77, multiple of 7, 79, 83, 89, 97, 91. Okay. These circle number are prime numbers. Understand? And from 4 to 100. Last number except circle number is composite number. Okay, understand? Now we define next topic, twin prime. Twin prime. Twin prime. Twin prime. What is twin prime? Two prime number are known as twin prime. Two prime number are known as twin prime. Twin prime. If the difference between two prime number is 2. Okay. If there is only one composite number, if there is only one composite number between them. Okay. For example, here you see that 3, 5, 5, 7, okay, 11, 13, 17, 19, done, 71, 73, etc. These are twin prime. These are called twin prime because in between these two prime numbers there is a composite number. 4, here 6, here 12, here 18, here 72, okay, and so on. Understand? Now our next topic is equal to prime triplet. Prime triplet. Prime triplet. Triplet. Okay. There is a prime triplet. There is only one prime, the 3, 5, and 7. 3, 5, and 7. Okay. Now co-prime. We define co-prime. What is co-prime? 2, 3, 4, 5, or we can say that 3, 4 are called co-prime number. Co-prime number because they do not have common factor other than 1. They don't have common factor other than two numbers are said to be co-prime if they don't have common factor other than 1. Okay. Now even and odd prime numbers. Sorry, even and odd numbers. Even and odd numbers. Even and odd numbers. All multiples of 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. are even numbers. And we can say a number which is divided by 2 is called even numbers. Odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. All are odd numbers. Why? They are odd number because when we divide the number by 2, we get remainder 1. Okay, understand? Now we solve exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2. Question number first. Question number first. Write the sum of any two odd numbers and even numbers. What is the sum of any two odd numbers and even numbers? Here, sum of odd numbers. Sum of odd numbers. Here we take some two odd numbers, 3, and suppose that 3 and 5 both are odd numbers. When we add these two numbers, 3 and 5, we get 8. Odd is equal to even. When we add two odd numbers, we get an even numbers. Okay. Now when we add two even numbers, we again get an even numbers. Okay. For example, 4 plus 6, you get 10. Even. Okay. Understand? Now, question number 2. The sum of 3 odd number is even. Okay. The sum of 3 odd number is even. Now first we check it. Here we take 3 odd numbers, 1, 3 and 5. When we add 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Here you see that we get odd number. But the statement is the sum of 3 odd number is even, therefore it is false. We write F for false. Okay. Now B, the sum of 2 odd numbers and 1 even number. The sum of 2 odd numbers and 1 even numbers is even. Okay. Here you see that we take 2 odd numbers 1 and 3 and 1 even number. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 8. We get an even number, therefore the statement is true. Okay. So now we check C, option C. The product of 3 odd number is odd. The product of 3 odd number is odd. Here we take 3 odd numbers, 3, 5 and 7. 7 5 is 35. 3 5 is 15. Okay, 3 5 is 15. is a 9 and 110. 105. 105 is an odd number. Now we check again. 1, 3, and 5. 50. The product of three odd numbers is odd. 2. Understand? Now we solve D. If an even number is divided by 2, the quotient is always odd. If an even number is divided by 2, then by 2, the quotient is odd. False. When any even number divided by 2, the quotient will be 0. Quotient will be, here you see that we take even number 4, 2 to the 4. Again 6, 2 3 are 6. Here you see that 2 and 3. We get both even and odd quotient. Okay. Therefore, it is false. Now, in this way, we solve other questions also. Now we solve question number 3. In question number 3, the number 13 and 31 are prime numbers. 13 and 31 are prime numbers. Okay, 13 and 31 are prime numbers. Both these numbers have same digits. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Find such pair of prime numbers up to 100. Okay. 17 is a prime number. 71 also is a prime number. Okay. Understand? (37) and 73. Next, 79 and 97. Solution. Question number 3. 17, 71. 37, 73. 79, 97. Okay. Now we solve question number 4. Write down separately the prime numbers and composite number less than 20. Prime numbers less than 20 and composite number less than 20. Sorry, 20. First we start from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are prime numbers. Now composite number 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 14, 15, 18. Okay, are composite numbers. Understand? Now we solve question number 5. What is the greatest prime number between 1 to 10? Question number 10. Question number 5. Greatest prime number between 1 to 10. is equal to 7. 7 is the right answer. Understand? Now we solve question number 6. Express the following as sum of two odd primes. Sum of two odd primes. To express number in the form this number as the sum of two odd primes. As the sum of two odd primes. Two odd primes. Okay. Here you see the number 44, 36, 24, and D 18. Okay. Now our next number 539. Sum of two odd primes. Sum of two odd primes. Two odd primes. 3 plus 41, 24, 5 plus 19, 5 plus 31, 18, 7 plus 11. 7 plus 11. Okay. Now we solve question number next. Question number 7. Give 3 pairs of prime numbers whose difference is 2. Three pairs of prime numbers. Prime numbers whose difference is 2. Okay. Now 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay. Difference between these two prime numbers are 2. Now question number 8. Which of the following numbers are prime? 8. Given numbers A 23, B 51, C 37, D 26. 23, 37. Prime number 51, 26 composite number. Okay. Now we solve question number 9. Question number 9. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. Less than 100. 7 consecutive positive integers less than 100. 91 positive composite 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, and 90, 96, etc. Only 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now question number 10. Question number 10. Express each of the following numbers as the sum of 3 odd primes. A 21, B 31, 53, 53, and D. What is 61? 61. Okay. 61. 3, 7, 11. 31. 3, 11, 70. 53, 53, 53 we write 3. Sum of 53 in 3 are prime numbers. 13, 17, 23 and 61, 13, 19, 23. Now next, question number 11. Write 5 pairs of prime number less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. Whose sum is divisible by 5. 11. 5 pairs of prime numbers which are divisible by 5. Which are divisible by 5. Okay. Less than 20. First, 2 plus 3, 5. Second number 7 plus 30, 7 plus 13, 20. Third, 17 plus 3, 20. Fourth, 2 plus 13, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Understand? Now question number 12. Do yourself.